Okay. Is the left open door, and you install the phone handle. And when the lock body is like this, you need take this one, like it can be turn like this, but you install is needs like this, and you can install. Okay, install. You can take. Okay, then install the back panel. I don't know how to say this here, and the screen installed 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2. 3. This one. Okay. Okay, and back important, it can turn like this, this you can see, and here is the 1 is the left, 2 is the right. You can turn this 1 to 1, turn like this. Okay, then put this line, input. Okay, then you install, can be okay, you can turn like this, remember, and text. Okay, then here the secret. 1 is here. 2. Sorry. 2, 3. 2. 3. Sorry. Okay, then you install the battery. Let me find AA new one. Here and here and here and here. Okay. Okay, you finish. Then we text first. Lock. Sorry. It's the, I don't know how to say in English. Input 369.
Successful.
Okay, successful. Then you lock. Sorry. Oh.
Enter admin information. Exit setting.
Sorry. Let me text.
Unlocked. 000.
Oh, sorry. I need input this.
Successful.
Okay. Lock. Then lock. The left open is 147 and per this. But the right open, if you are the right open dog, you need to input the 369 and input this one. So okay, we unlock, and wait a moment. You press this, then lock. Okay, it's not